Good morning, everybody. So it is Saturday morning in New York, and we're in zone 5B, and we're gonna have a pretty crazy weekend. Tonight it's gonna drop to 37 degrees, and tomorrow night it's gonna drop to 32. Which, if you are like me, like we always have these weeks where everything starts popping, the weather's warm, things are coming out, and then all of a sudden we get this I don't know, this really scary temperature drop for a couple days, and then you wonder, oh gosh, is anything going to be damaged? Is anything going to be ruined? And you sort of had this little gardening stress. But tomorrow at 32 degrees, that's a little scary for a couple things. That tree peony right there, because I'll show you, the buds are out and gorgeous and not protected, and there are tons of them. There's 4 right there. Guys, is this nuts or what?
It is nuts.
Oh my god, my gardens are getting, you know what, my gardens are getting white mulched right now.
Yeah, but Mom, it really looks like
This is crazy.
peanuts that are broken.
Oh my gosh, you guys, literally, I don't know what to do. This is where I panic as a gardener, because all your stuff starts leafing out, and I got big buds on my tree peonies. Look at this. I mean, literally, we were just, this is nuts. Oh, and tomorrow night, it's going to be 32 at night. I'm so scared for all my stuff.
Hey, if we get a lot of snow, I'm going to get the center right down there.
All right. I mean, look at this. Now all of all of the dirt on my gardens, well, I shouldn't say dirt, all of my soil now looks white. Crazy. I mean, this is the most nutty thing. And it's above freezing. So here's our mini little hailstorm. Yay. Go back where you came from. I am so ready for nicer weather. Look at this. It's just nuts. I can't get over it. Anyway, soon I know spring is gonna stay. Yes, chase it away, boys.